Would you believe that this short video took 2 years to make? Nothing about this project merits that time span, but here we are. One day in the middle of 2021, I noticed one of the center caps on these aftermarket wheels had gone missing. Aftermarket or not, I was in possession of a 3D printer, so there was no reason to go hunt down an exact match replacement. First, I needed to design a replacement. I took some measurements from the original cap, like diameter, depth, location for the attachment bolts, and the space needed for the head of the bolt. I made 2 designs, but since this is a daily driver for my wife as well, I eventually decided against the branded ones. Next, I needed to decide what type of plastic to go with. PLA is the easy and common choice for most things, but this is going to be dealing with heat from the brakes, weather, and brake dust. Because of this, I went with PETG, which is better at dealing with high temperatures and chemicals. I also managed to find it in a shade of orange that matched the car really well. The prototype printed quite well, so well in fact that I'm still using 2 of them on the car today. The hole for the bolt was just a little too narrow, so I widened it a bit, and I made the top wall a little thicker when I printed the other 2. One last thing I needed to do was order some new bolts. Even though I designed this with the original bolts in mind, when the center cap was lost and started all of this, the 2 bolts that held it on were lost too. To stick with the color scheme, I ordered a pack of matte black bolts that look even better. That's looking great. I really need to get around to painting those brake calipers. Hopefully it doesn't take another 2 years to get that done. Check the description for a link to the files I created and let me know what you think of the new look. Thanks for watching Cars Simplified. Oh geez, the bolts rusted already.